Is it really feasible to do a comprehensive cleansing of the digestive tract in only a few minutes, using entirely natural procedures? If I were to tell you that the answer is yes, and that I'm going to demonstrate to you today how to produce a unique beverage that is made with only 4 basic components: water, salt, lemon, and psyllium husks, what would you think? In as little as 10 to 15 minutes, this natural mixture can assist in cleaning out your gut tissues. But before I share the potent formula with you, let's first have a better understanding of why this works and what additional natural approaches can help support your digestive health over the long term. Do you know that the number of people experiencing digestive issues has increased by more than 300% in the past 30 years? You should know that you are not the only one who struggles with stomach difficulties such as constipation, bloating, or other stomach problems. On a daily basis, millions of people are confronted with these embarrassing issues. As an alternative to depending on harsh chemicals or costly therapies, there are natural methods that might be utilized to cleanse your intestines and provide you with genuine alleviation. That potent beverage I described before, which may make you feel better in only 10 minutes, is included in the list as well. The modern gut crisis. There are a multitude of health problems that have been brought about by the modern lifestyle, and digestive troubles are among the most prevalent in today's society. These days, we are experiencing digestive illnesses at rates that have never been witnessed before in the history of humanity. These disorders range from bloating and constipation to gas, acid reflux, and even gastritis itself. Constipation is a common problem for around 16% of individuals. Nearly 33% of the population is comprised of individuals who are over the age of 60. And what do the majority of individuals do when they have feelings of being unable to go forward? In order to obtain chemical laxatives, they immediately head to the drugstore. The difficulty, however, is that although pharmacological laxatives may provide relief in the short term, they do not address the underlying source of the problem. In point of fact, excessive usage might make the situation much more dire. After a period of time, your body will get reliant on the substance, and your digestive system will forget how to function on its own. In this way, a potentially harmful loop is initiated, in which the body becomes weaker, the symptoms get more severe, and the prescriptions become more potent. Instead of trying to suppress the body's natural signals, we should be working to restore the body's normal functioning. What is constipation? Let's go into the specifics of what constipation is. In the event that you have less than 3 bowel movements each week and your stools are dry or firm, you are thought to be suffering from constipation. The ideal situation would be for you to go once every day. There is a possibility that attending a few times per week is okay. But if you are only going once every few days, especially if it is tough, this is a warning sign. What causes constipation? Not getting enough water to drink, intake of fiber that is low, the act of suppressing your urges when you sense them. There is a lack of physical exercise, unexpected shifts in routine, such as going on a trip, diabetes, thyroid problems, and pregnancy are all examples of some health disorders. Medications such as painkillers, antidepressants, and blood pressure drugs are also included in this category. The inability to go to the bathroom is only one aspect of constipation. A broad variety of symptoms, including pressure in the rectum, acute stomach pains, heartburn, nausea, vomiting, and even dizziness and anemia, can be brought on by it. This can have a significant impact on your mood, your energy levels, and your day-to-day life. Fiber, the essential bulking agent. The majority of people require between 25 and 40 grams of fiber on a daily basis. But you should avoid making the error of going from 10 grams to 40 grams in a single day. Gas, bloating, and pain are all going to result from it. Increase your consumption gradually over the course of 2 to 3 weeks. The following are some of the greatest meals that are high in fiber. Avocados, 14 grams per cup. Pears, 10 grams each. Raspberries, strawberries, apples with skin. Lentils, peas, and chickpeas. Carrots, beets, broccoli, artichokes, Brussels sprouts, oats, Both soluble and insoluble fibers are essential dietary components. Soluble fiber is the more common variety, while insoluble fiber provides weight and assists in the movement of food through your intestines. Soluble fiber is responsible for softening stools by absorbing water and time. You always try to strike a balance between the two. Water, the forgotten medicine? The majority of people are unaware of the profound effects that water has on digestion. If you want to maintain regular bowel movements, your body requires at least 2 liters of water every day. But the timing and temperature are important. Warm water or water at room temperature should be consumed, particularly in the morning. It is true that drinking cold water might impede digestion. When you first wake up in the morning, drink a large glass of warm water on an empty stomach. Following that, continue to drink water at room temperature throughout the day. At meals, you should avoid consuming significant amounts of liquid. Drink instead 30 minutes before meals or 1 hour after meals to ensure that your digestive enzymes are able to do their function without being watered down. Probiotics, gut health's best friend. It is crucial to have beneficial microorganisms, often known as probiotics. Additionally, they encourage regular bowel motions, decrease inflammation, and help maintain a healthy balance in your gut. When stomach acid is low, which is the optimal time to take probiotics, such as first thing in the morning or before going to bed, probiotics are most effective. Top probiotic foods include kefir, which can contain over 60 strains of good bacteria, kombucha, sauerkraut, and kimchi, apple cider vinegar with the mother, natto, miso. If you have a sensitivity to dairy products, you should choose fermented veggies or kefir made from coconut. Steer clear of items that include added sugars, and wherever it is feasible, opt for organic products. The cleansing drink that works in 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, the part you've been waiting for has arrived. The natural intestinal flush drink that can bring relief in a matter of minutes. This drink uses water, 1 liter, warm. Sea salt or Himalayan salt, 2 teaspoons. Lemon juice, from half a lemon. Psyllium husk, 1 tablespoon. Each ingredient serves a purpose. The salt pulls water into the intestines. The lemon stimulates digestive juices. The psyllium husks provide gentle bulk to help flush things out. And the warm water ensures everything dissolves properly and is comfortable to drink. How to make it? Warm 1 liter of water that has been filtered. Only use water that is at the temperature of a bath. Do not boil it. Put it in a container made of glass that has a cover on it. 2 teaspoons of Himalayan or sea salt, whatever you choose. Include the juice of half a lemon by squeezing it in. Give it a good stir until it dissolves. Psyllium husks, 1 tablespoon total, should be added and firmly stirred for 30 seconds. If you want to avoid the psyllium becoming too thick, you should drink it right away. What to do after drinking? Lay down on your left side for a minute after you have finished drinking. Massage your tummy in a gentle manner. After that, roll over onto your right half. This facilitates the movement of the fluids through your intestines. Maintain a close proximity to a restroom. Some people have the desire within 5 minutes, while others don't feel it until 30 minutes later. Attempt to keep it for a period of 30 minutes before going to the restroom. Probiotics should be taken after the cleanse in order to rebuild the gut flora. Supplements containing acidophilus or kefir are quite effective. Who should avoid this cleanse? You should see your physician before consuming this beverage if you have renal difficulties, high blood pressure, or if you are currently taking drugs on a daily basis. Even if it is natural, it still has an effect on your body, and you should not take it without exercising caution. Do not consume this beverage more than once per week for maintenance purposes. It is possible to develop a dependence on it, just like one can with pharmaceutical laxatives. Final words. It is not just about fast remedies when it comes to digestive health. Movement, water, fiber, natural meals, and maintaining a healthy balance are all important. If you provide the body with the appropriate circumstances, it will be able to mend itself. The body possesses an astounding capacity for healing. The consumption of this straightforward beverage, which consists of water, lemon, salt, and psyllium husks, is an effective method for naturally cleansing your intestines when you are in need of immediate relief. However, this does not serve as a substitute for leading a healthy lifestyle. It is possible to maintain the smooth functioning of your digestive system for many years to come by consuming foods that are high in fiber, drinking warm water, taking probiotics, and occasionally engaging in natural cleaning. Now, I am looking forward to hearing from you. What natural remedies have you tried to improve the health of your digestive system? What is one of today's suggestions that you are most eager to utilize? Please let me know in the comment section below.